Hello, November 16, 2024. We will quickly review computer systems. Today, we will look around override attack and how core instruction and return instruction work related with some Linux command first. Uh, let's go RET. Uh, return instruction. It is actually up and you will for core, I'm not sure, is it core? LIP. And in attack situation, in attacker's view, core function can change control flow, but we usually block it. The defensor block it, then attacker can use RIP, return gadget, so which end up with return function. So they point out another address so they can attack and they can attack what they want. Gadget is the return instruction starting address of instruction that will finish with return instruction. And there's, the difference between caller and callee function. Caller function will be corresponds to call instruction, and callee function will be instruction corresponds to return function. Call instruction will, after call, it will push the stack and it will point out another address. And return instruction, it will pop the stack and it will point out other address by, it will be RIP, I guess. So when they push, the stack will grow this way, the memory address will decrease this way. Okay, let's go. So there is checksec, which is the checksec is a problem software. You can check some things. There is notion of offset, which is the address, well, the default address. And when you run it, there will be debugger and there will be another address, which is offset plus basic assigned address. So if you use command like object dump, the overset me pipe grab print flag, then you can find print flag and the smash strings things will exist. And when you and also I will introduce the difference between little endian and big endian. A lot of people confusing this notion. If I really easily say, then Linux, they use little endian, so they will read the number reversely. So we should put reversely. So maybe we can put it like, we can put it from X B6, X11, X30, yes. Then it will read from reverse to 3011 B6 is what the machine will read. All right. Pop RDI. You will find these things when you use libs.fo. Libs.fo file is binary file, so you usually use this command to put it to a.txt, and you use ROP gadget to analyze these things. ROP gadget is program that finds gadget in binary. There's smashing string effect, which is related with this. And there is in Defender's view, there is address space layout randomization, which is layout by operating system. So I will also upload practical video that I did it. If you see the video, then when we type LDD bin ls, this is we can see the address when we put this command. Then you can see the address is changing because of address space layout randomization. And there is very important concept, which is non-executable memory, which is memory is only writable or only executable. In Windows, we call it NX, and in Linux, we call it DEP, or vice versa. The important thing is memory is only writable or only executable. So let's go. And there is also concept of canary. Canary is concept of censoring memory. You can setting up the canary, like maybe 0x28 RAX, which is 0x28 will be canary, and place on stack maybe 0x8 scale bracket modulo RSP, which will be you will make RSP from above 8 byte above 0x8 0x8 LXX, which will be from stack will be like 8 byte above. This is before, and there is important concepts such as before course again, before, yeah, and after core, yeah. Yeah, these are the important things. And you should also always think OP code and assembly together, which means OP code and assembly, which will be, I will give you an example for general. For these are for a zero F, zero F. Yeah, then there will be corresponding assembly. Linear. In this situation, and to repeat. And sheet 3 is return. And also this is important. This is D0, then this will be D1, D2, D3. When so you should distinguish between stack and text code, which is executable. And based on this, you will go to Python and run pwn tools.plt.got, and the notion of .got overwritten after the function calls. And there's also socket programming, which makes socket server. We will do it later. Okay, thank you so much. That was our video, and I will go back together with practical videos. Thank you.